Welcome everyone to Uplatz Digital Marketing classes. Today, my primary lecture is about the Google paid. Uh, I hope you all have seen so many links over the search engine result pages, but there is a one section that having some small word ED. That's actually the paid search results. I'm not talking only about the search result, but today I just give you a glimpse that what is the Google Ads paid campaigning and how you will identify it. You can identify it on the Google search, you can identify it on the so many websites, you can identify it on the your Gmail account also. So let me show you how you can identify that this is belongs to the Google Ads. So this is the Google, and here I am going to search a simple keyword that kids birthday party catering. Simply, this is the keyword, and I seen a lot of websites are here. Now, I remember that I explained you entire page that this section is actually the sponsored listing section. Means here you find the list of sites those are adopted the paid campaign. So these are distinguished by the AD. Simply with the term AD, you can identify that these are belong to the Google Ads. Now there is the map portion. Here you can find some local listing of the map. And even if you click on this, view more, go to the view more, and definitely some of the ads you will see on this section also. But as of now, there is no such ad. So let's talk about the this section. And this is the simply organic listing, and this is the people also ask. I remember that you know this all the section, and in the bottom again they given you paid canvas. So this listing is actually comes from the Google Ads. This is the one section from where you can see that how Google Ads look like. Simply you can find that this is the blue, this is the title, and this is divided into two parts, first and second. Maybe sometime you see the third part also. This is the description part, and this is the site links. Those are actually catching the views. And now second thing is that, and now second I'm going to search here Google, and simply uh, I'm going to the website. This is the websites, and here I'm going to show you that how the Google ads are showing like this. This is the ad, and you can easily identify that this is the ad by seeing that they have some word like this I. If you click on this I, you can see this is shown by the Google. So every time you can easily identify with this. This is the Google's. So this is the second place. Now, if I go to the uh, Gmail section, then I also find that Google Ads listing is there to show you. This is the promotional area, and here this is actually Google Ads. You can see it having the AD. So if I click on this, I can see that ads are showing, and I can identify it with this term. So this term is actually distinguished that this is the ad. So now what I am going to explain you in this lecture is really very important, because in present scenario most of the business person are not have enough time to spend for the organic SEO, because organic SEO is a time consuming, and they want result very soon, as soon as possible. So there are only one medium, that is the paid. So let me explain you that what you will learn in this lesson. So when I am going to talk about the Google ads, that means there is some place where you have to create the account. First of all, you remember that you need to create an account. Second thing is this: once you create account, then there is some. type of the campaigning that do, you will do for a particular project. So once you start campaigning, then a particular project is having the different criteria. Means maybe you have the real estate project. Definitely, real estate project, you are going to run a campaign for a e-company that having the real estate project. That's fine. But in the real estate, there are a different categories. Means some ads for the buyers, some ads for the people who will open for the renting, some going to sale. So you have to create different ad groups, definitely, because you have to be target the same area for the different keywords for a particular project. Now when you're going to start campaigning, you create the ad, then definitely you have to know that which keyword is associate for the particular ad group. Then you will research the keywords. Now sometimes you have uh, keywords that are very specific, so you will decide that these keywords should be the exact match. Some keywords can be shuffle. Means if I am going to for a tour, then my keyword can be uh, package in the beginning or package in the last. Means package for 7 days tour India and 7 days India tour package. Definitely packages comes up and down. So in this situation, my keyword will be the different kind of the match where we can put the words uh, starting and end. Now sometime my content, my ad is really a very broad where I cannot decide that these are the specific combination of the keyword. So I open, means someone is having any kind of the words in my keyword, then my ad should be so because it's related with the brand. Now when we create these all the things, then it's the position I have to create the ad. There are the different type of the ads, different type of the variety. Means some clients want people call, so they're call only ads. Some want they fill the pages, then there is the form related ad. So there are the different kind of the segments. So we have to create the ad in that way. Now once you created the ad, as you know, I already explained you in my previous lecture that you have to decide your audience, means where your audience is located. Suppose you have a audience in United Kingdom, so your ad must be visible in United Kingdom. First thing is that. Second is, if your audience is in a specific city, then you have to be target only that city instead of entire United Kingdom. So you have to be include and exclude. This is the very simple criteria. So we need to include and exclude the area so that we can easily understand that where our audience is reacting or not reacting. Now, third thing is that okay, I did all the things, but how do I show to my client that everything is going fine? So, for this purpose, I have added the conversion tracking. With the help of this, I can explain to them that okay, some people visited the site and they have filled the form, and this is the conversion ratio. And for the better explanation, I can associate Google AdWord with the Google Analytics so that I can explain to them that actually the way means the client land, visitor land on a particular page by clicking on the ad. But after clicking on the ad, where where he gone actually? So this all the way I can explain to them. There are some special cases like for the insurance for the means. Special cases are belongs to those for which the brand of a company or the branded companies are in your competition. Definitely, in this RO companies, insurance companies, loan companies. So these are the special cases, and for which we have to be prepared because sometimes we got some client; those are actually insist us to run the campaign. So for that, we have some tips and trick that we need to understand now. So many time your account gone in the review. So how much time it will take and how you insist the Google Help Center to understand your problem and teach you more. So these all the ground I have created for the Google Ads, and in the next lecture I will explain you that how to create the account, how to create the campaign. So step by step I explain you there are a different type of the ads, different the purpose. I give you some glimpse of every kind of the ad, but you have to be learn a lot in the deep by creating the account. So in this lecture this is only the ground for the Google Ads. So have a great day and keep in touch so that you can learn a lot about the Google Ads. Have a great